How to find duplicates elements in array using JavaScript. You can find duplicate elements in an array using JavaScript by various methods. Here are a simple approach dealing with filter and index of methods. Filter method. The filter method of array instances creates a shallow copy of a portion of a given array, filtered down to just the elements from the given array that pass the test implemented by the provided function. A function to execute for each element in the array. It should return a truthy value to keep the element in the resulting array, and a falsy value otherwise. The function is called with the following arguments. Element. The current element being processed in the array. Index. The index of the current element being processed in the array. Array. The array filter was called upon. Return value. A shallow copy of the given array containing just the elements that pass the test. If no elements pass the test, an empty array is returned. Index of method. The index of method returns the position of the first occurrence of a value in a string. The index of method returns -1 if the value is not found. The index of method is case sensitive. Thank you for taking the time to explore this code. If you have any further questions or need additional clarification, feel free to ask. I hope this video was informative and helps you with your JavaScript adventures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting coding content. Happy coding, everyone!